Welcome to Village Yoga Studio. Please subscribe and do one like. Don't forget, please subscribe. And today we are discussing Jalaneti and Sutra Neti. It is one of the Shet Kriyas. How can we do this Sutraneti and Jalaneti? Please watch it fully video. Then after what is this, you will understand this Jalaneti and Sutraneti. Watch it full video. Jalaneti is one of the six purifying techniques called Shatkama. In the Hatha Yoga Pratipika, the term is Sanskrit and translates literally to water cleansing process. And to perform Jalaneti at home, begin by bringing filtered water to a boil. Rinse out the inside of the neti pot, then add half of a teaspoon of neti salt to the pot. Allow the boiled water to cool to room temperature. First, then pour it into the neti pot, stirring the salt and water together. After ensuring the water inside the neti is it and room temperature. Stand over a sink and insert the nozzle of the neti pot into the right nozzle. Open the mouth and tilting the head to the left. Slowly allow the saline water into the right nozzle and through the nasal passages. The water will come out through the left nozzle and flow into the sink. Once half the saline water is used, repeat with the opposite nozzle, tilting the head to the right. Now the water will come out through the right nozzle. Perform Kapalbhati Kriya, a breathing technique to blow out the remaining water from the nozzles also. Remember to rinse the neti pot out with boiled water after each use and allow to air dry. Practicing neti is especially beneficial for clearing the nasal passages of dust and pollen. Many allergens can be washed away with a neti pot. Flushing the nasal passages also a regular basis can help reduce sinusitis, soothe dry nasal passages, and enhance the practice of pranayama and other breathing exercises also. Additional benefits of Jalaneti include that clears mucus from the nasal passages, expels harmful bacteria in the sinuses, relieves breathing disorders, eliminates excess heat in the head, promotes mental clarity and focus. Sutra Neti is a yogic cleansing practice used to clear the nasal passages. It is one of the six set commas mentioned in the Hatha Yoga Pratipika. Also, it is considered important because this allows for easier breathing, which helps with pranayama and breathing during asanas practice. In Sutra Neti, a wet steering or a thin piece of surgical tubing is inserted through the nose and exits through the mouth. Each end of the string is held as it is gently pulled in and out of the nozzle. Passageways to clear them and remove any nozzle polyps. Benefits of Sutra Neti: removing dust, bacteria, and trapped mucus, desensitizing the nasal tissues, which may alleviate allergies, reducing sinusitis, headache, and migraines, preventing infection and inflammation also.